There are three main types of microscopes, and each works differently. First, the optical microscope. It uses visible light and glass lenses. Maximum resolution is about 200 nanometers. Used to see cells, bacteria, and tissues. Second, the electron microscope. It uses a beam of electrons instead of light. Resolution can go below 1 nanometer. There are two types of electron microscopes. Scanning electron microscope, same, which shows surface structure. Transmission electron microscope, TEM, which shows internal structure. Third, scanning probe microscopes, SPM. These don't use light at all. They use an ultra-tiny tip, much thinner than a human hair. There are two types of scanning probe microscopes. Atomic force microscope, AFM, which works like this. Imagine closing your eyes and touching a surface with your finger. If there are tiny bumps, your finger moves up and down. AFM does the same thing. It feels atoms and turns that movement into a picture. Scanning tunneling microscope, STM, which works differently. It doesn't touch the surface. It brings a metal tip extremely close, almost touching. Tiny electrons jump across the gap. By measuring those tiny jumps, it can map individual atoms. From micrometers to nanometers to atoms. That's the power of microscopy. For more simple shorts, please subscribe.